Success today requires the agility and drive to constantly rethink, reinvigorate, react, and reinvent. I am not in competition with anyone but myself. My goal is to improve myself continuously. I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. We're changing the world with technology. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Vision without execution is daydreaming. The computer was born to solve problems that did not exist before. There will be two types of businesses in the next 5 years, those that are on the internet and those that are out of business. I believe innovation is the most powerful force for change in the world. We get comfort from those who agree with us, but we get growth from only those who don't agree with us. How you gather, manage, and use information will determine whether you win or lose. Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. I was lucky to be in the right place at the right time, but many others were also in the same place. The difference was that I took action. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Life is a lot more fun if you treat its challenges in creative ways. People cannot become truly knowledgeable without being excellent readers. When you are failing, you are forced to be creative, to dig deep and think, night and day. Embrace bad news to learn where you need the most improvement. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Look at the clock when you are sitting idle, but never look at the clock when you are working. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. I have $100 billion. You realize I could spend $3 million a day, every day, for the next 100 years. And that's if I don't make another dime. You can make money and you can make excuses, but you can never make money out of excuses. To win big, you sometimes have to take big risks. Leaders are those who empower others. My success, part of it certainly, is that I have focused in on a few things. When you have money in hand, only you forget who are you. But when you do not have any money in your hand, the whole world forget who are. It's life. Patience is a key element of success. To succeed, you also have to know how to make choices and how to think more broadly. I never took a day off in my 20s. Not one. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure.